Today I'm going to be working with a stamp from scrapbook.com. This was Handmade Essentials, and I'm using this little one down here that says Handmade, and I am just going to stamp it with some black ink onto white cardstock, and then I'm going to use a paper punch and punch them out so that I have them ready, prepared, and I can put them on anything I make. So this is a fun, easy, nice way to just kind of you know, craft when you want to craft, but not necessarily making anything that's a finished product, but just for your stash of things you want to use. So just gonna stamp these off. And I seem to be transferring some ink from my hand as I stamp. That's okay. I'll just work around it. You could do this in different colors. I'm just doing it black on white. Skip that spot. There we go. Now I'm just going to wipe this off a little bit to clean it. Good to go. And then I'm going to use my paper punch here and just turn it upside down so I can see what I'm doing. And line it up where I want it and punch. So now I have a bunch of these little guys that I can use. This little Le Pen in red is the perfect size for just coloring in this heart.